Howdy and welcome to BitPay FAQ. Today we're going to learn how to export your transaction history for your BitPay card. To begin, go to bitpay.com and select Login. Then enter your email address and password and press Login. That will take you to your BitPay card dashboard. From there, click the Export button to the right of recent activity. You'll then be asked to click the year you want to export. Then a .csv file will begin downloading. You can upload that file to Google Docs or Microsoft Office to view your transaction history in a spreadsheet. Links to do either are in the description below. This computer's default is numbers. This CSV or comma-separated value contains all the details on Bitcoin to dollar loads which you will need for tax or accounting purposes. Please consult with your accountant on your tax needs with Bitcoin payments. And it's as simple as that. Check out our other videos to learn more about our products and services. And if this video helped you, be sure to give it a like. You can follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. Also, if you can't find a video that helps you, please visit help.bitpay.com. Thanks for watching.